Hey creator, it's your team Novel, and we're giving you 30 days of bite-sized tutorials packed with insider insight so you can learn how to use Shopify to host your content, monetize, and engage your audience like a pro. Today we're diving into fulfillment centers, what they are, when you should use them, and how they can help streamline your creator business. If you're a creator selling products you make yourself, or maybe you found a product you love and bought it in bulk, managing packaging and shipping can quickly become overwhelming. To scale your business, you'll need a logistics solution that can handle the heavy lifting, and that's where fulfillment centers come in. So what exactly is a fulfillment center? It's a warehouse or storage facility where your products are stored. When orders come in, the fulfillment center takes care of everything for you, from picking and packing to shipping directly to your customers. All right, let's get into it and take a look at the third-party logistic partners that integrate with Shopify. Go to Apps, All Recommended Apps, and click Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type 3PL, which stands for third-party logistics, and enter to return results. As you can see, there are quite a few apps that integrate with Shopify. So, what should you look for when choosing a fulfillment partner? Shipping, delivery times, and location. Costs, such as picking, packaging, and storage fees, and locations, warehouses around the world. And if you're selling fragile items like original canvas artwork, you'll want to choose a partner that specializes in storing them, such as Red Stag. Or, if you're exclusively selling on Amazon, Fulfillment by Amazon is a great option. Today, we'll be taking a closer look at ShipMonk for its transparent pricing model that's based on your number of orders. Let's take a closer look. Suppose you have a wine subscription box, which includes 3 bottles per box. On average, you ship 100 boxes per month. To assemble the box, it costs $3 for the first bottle and 75 cents for each remaining bottle, and it's 20 cents to include promotional materials like a thank you card. The total cost per order is $4.70. You also need to pay for storage. In this case, the pallet size of $25 per month is suitable. That's around 25 cents per order, bringing your total to $4.95 per month. Not bad, and you can factor the cost into the retail value of your box. Let's go back to the app page and install ShipMonk. If you don't have an account, you'll have to create one. You'll receive an email to schedule a call with a logistics specialist who will help you get started. If you're looking to scale or just free up some time, working with a logistics partner like ShipMonk will allow you to focus more on creating engaging experiences for your viewers and customers while they handle your orders for you. And you don't have to have a whole lot of orders to take advantage of fulfillment centers and feel at ease. Well, that's a wrap. We hope you learned some things, and if you got questions, drop them in the comments. Until tomorrow, be novel.